Current affairs in the month of August 2025. There are two aspects in Election Commission's orders. The one is the Loksabha opposition leader Rahul Gandhi accused the Election Commission a massive electoral roll manipulation in Mahadevapura constituency elections. There was a difference of more than 1 lakh voters in that constituency which are not reflected in the electoral rolls. The second one is the Election Commission ordered a special intensive revision of electoral rolls in Bihar. There was a controversy in the appointment of commissioners, election commissioners. This controversy is nothing but in the previous body there was the Chief Justice of India as one of the members. But now the Chief Justice of India removed in the amendment that was done in the year 2023 in the appointing committee of the services of the Election Commissioners 2023 Act. According to this, in the place of Chief Justice of India, any cabinet member of the government of India is included. Now the commission of selection of commissioners, election commissioners is, the three members are 1. The Prime Minister of India, 2. The Cabinet Minister of India, and 3. Leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. This make an uneven majority and there was no dissent in selection of these election commissioners. And the second one is the Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra also complained. There was a lot of inclusion of the members in the electoral rolls between the Lok Sabha and the sasanasabha elections. And all political parties are requesting the election commission to furnish the voter readable machine data to them of electoral rolls. This is they are demanding on the basis of the Supreme Court order in case of the petition filed by the ex-Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh in the year 2018, and this was upheld by the Supreme Court. And the second controversy, that is BIHAR SIR, that is special intensive revision of electoral rolls, and this was ordered by the Election Commission on 24th 2025. Every voter which not listed in the electoral rolls of 2000 would have to submit one of the documents of 11 documents said by the commission, and these documents also to prove that they are Indians or not. But according to the present situation, it is not the duty of the Election Commission to determine the nationality of an individual, but the Election Commission made this in his order of SIR of Bihar. And this order is challenged by many activists and many political leaders, including the Association for Democratic Reforms. Basing on this challenge, the Supreme Court has passed an order recently that aadhar should also be taken as identity of the voter, that is prime identity of voter. And the Election Commission finalized the SIR by August end and published the list of voters, removing about 65 lakhs of voters from the electoral rolls. Once again, these contesting bodies approached the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court ordered furnished the list of 65 lakhs of voters list with specification whether they are dead, they are migrated, and they are of multiple voters in the electoral rolls, etc., etc., specifying them. So the Election Commission has furnished the list, and according to that, the Supreme Court also ordered consider now the aadhar as identity for these voters and make a regulation and make an entries once again into the voter list those who are submitted the aadhar during the process of SIR. And since the time is lapsed, once again the Supreme Court ordered that this verification of voters should be done till the completion of the contesting candidates nomination is finalized. So, according to this, now the voter list that is published by SIR, Election Commission, up to 65 lakhs has to be got a chance to get the verification up to the completion of the last finalization of the filing of the nominations. My opinion on this, the Election Commission has to conduct elections in a free and fair manner. Any allegation that has come against it, it should be taken as a challenge and make clarification even to a small voter. The Election Commission is making a condition to the opposition leader Rahul Gandhi to submit an affidavit, and this leads to a criminal mentality of the Election Commission. Therefore, I feel, and many of the previous election commissioners felt, that it is not correct. Every clarification must be done by the Election Commission suo motu against the allegations made against it, and it should not be taken as an allegation, but it is taken as a responsibility and clarify every aspect in it.